Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix application error a client side expression has occurred. If you're also facing this kind of error on your Safari, in this video I will show you how you can fix that. So first of all, you need to open your iPhone settings app. You need to scroll down and find your apps. Okay, after that you need to find your Safari. To find that, scroll down below until you see the Safari app showing here. Tap on that. Okay, after tapping that, you need to scroll down again. Okay, until you see the clear history and website data. Okay, tap on that. After that, you need to tap on clear history and apply it on your iPhone. After applying it on your iPhone, you need to reboot your iPhone. To do that, press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is rebooted. After that, you can easily fix that error. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix. Thanks for watching.